The Hinge Pin Retainer secures the hinge pins that allow various parts of your nail gun to pivot. The retainer is made of urethane, which can crack over time. When the retainer cracks or is lost, the hinge pin can come loose and be lost. Replacing the Hinge Pin Retainer is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the hinge pin. I'll use a small punch to tap the hinge pin out of the retainer and mount. Now I'll carefully remove the punch so I don't lose the other parts. And I'll remove the retainer. And now I can install the new retainer. I'll place the retainer into the recess on the casting. I'll align the straight leg of the spring with the groove in the back of the latch. I'll hold that in place and align the latch with the casting, looping the hooked part of the spring around this part of the casting. I'll align the hinge pin hole in the casting with the hinge pin hole in the latch and insert the hinge pin. And that's how easy it is to install a new hinge pin retainer on your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.